On a weekly basis, we're going to add 25 mils of the MFC blue. So the bottle that you will receive will have a little measure here. We'll just squeeze that up until we get 25 mils in there. And we're going to undo the lid. And we're going to pop it in our jug. This is on a weekly basis. And we're going to fill the jug with some water, tap water. Yep, and then we're going to remove the milk line from the milk, and we're going to put it into the MFC and water, and we're going to push the milk button again. Oh, we're going to push the little dot settings, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Yes. We're going to go to menu, and we're going to go to daily actions and cleaning and rinsing, and we're going to push milk, and we're going to go 5-minute milk clean. Do we want to start? And we push OK. Okay, and we make sure that there's water in there. Yes, there is. Push OK. We've put the solution in, already done that. Okay, and then ready to go. Push OK. Put the jug under, and that'll flush. That'll pull the milk cleaner through the milk line and flush out all the internal parts of the frother and milk line with the MFC. So that'll take roughly 5 minutes, and that should be done on a weekly basis with the detergent. And you'll see that's just pulling through the detergent and removing any solid fat from the milk. Once it's complete, it'll tell you, and then we suggest rinsing the milk line with just clean water once complete by pushing the milk button.